Hello beautiful children, how are you? I hope you will be fine and you are enjoying my videos. So today I'm gonna make a iPhone. So I'm gifting a iPhone to you, to all children. So how to make, let's see. Okay, first of all we have to make a block. It's block. Okay, you have to page in vertical, then we have to draw a block. In the middle you can try, but it's not if it's go outside. You have to draw a straight line with the hand. If you cannot draw with the hand, you can use with the scale as well, no problem. Okay, then in the straight you have to draw here, and again straight line you have to draw. Try to make it straight. It's not problem if it is not straight. We are enjoying, you are not in a competition like that. So then now we have to draw from here straight line. Okay, then we have to make a curve edges like this, not make a, it's curve, little bit curve. And again here I have to make a but it's look like a little bit small iPhone. I can make it big. It's looking okay. So now I have to make a straight line from here. Okay, then you have to make a round shape. A 1, 2. Good. It's looking very good. And now what you have to do then more, you have to do a inside line down and stop. Okay, again the same procedure we have to draw here. Enough. Okay, now what's we are doing, again line, try to make it straight, if not no problem, here, and make it round. Okay, good, amazing. But here we have to do something different. What is the different? So come, stop, come round, stop. Okay, here. So it's like here, and we have to meet the 2 points. Yuppie, amazing. And what is here? Here is, we have to make a mic, and here is a sensor for your screen. Okay, what is more? It's we have to draw for here applications. For here we have to draw one box, 1, another 2, here 3, 4. Enough. So we have to make it the box. Make it the box, but try it little bit. These are the, what is these? These are the applications. Okay, good. It's looking amazing. So now what we have to do more? We have to do a line and just keep it covered. Uh-oh, it's a little bit wrong. No problem. We are not in a competition. We are just drawing and we are just enjoying the drawing. Okay, so now what is missing more? More is always smiley face. Now it's missing. So we have to draw eyes, 1 eye, and the parallel, try it to make a other. Okay, it's then inside 1, always as we draw, 2, 1, 2. We have to fill the remaining part like this, and we have to leave these points, these 2 always. Okay, so more smiley face. So this is Yupu. This you have to draw this, and where is the tongue? Oh, tongue is outside today. Okay, amazing, Yupu. So what is more missing? More missing is color. So I meet you after color. It's very looking how to say it? It's looking awesome. You can call your friends, your friends, your mom, your dad, and say whatever you want. So we meet our after color. I meet you after color. So, Yupu, children's, our iPhone is ready to talk. This is how you feel that. This is the eye, this is the tongue, this is the teeth of this iPhone. Okay, your iPhone is ready. You can talk to your mother, your friends, and please, I have to say always. I said always like you have to fun. It's a fun. It's not a competition. You have to fun while drawing. So this is the main aim of mine, and I make these drawings with love for you. You have to follow me, and you have to follow my channel. You have to subscribe. Please subscribe. This is love from your side too for me. Yo. So keep safe, keep happy, keep more happiness, and until the next video. So bye bye, take care.